Hi everyone, I am Akash Nahar. Welcome back to my channel. And as usual, I again come back to my channel with another video. So today I'm gonna create a market where a lady is selling some pan, and I hope this video will really help you for a beginner and those are really try to crack VFA entrance exam. So in VFA exam, those are really try to crack. So they must needed to learn watercolor and figurative drawing. So in upcoming days, I will definitely try to create some figurative drawing and watercolor also. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel. I hope my watercolor video will really help you. So you can see how I create the lady and the basket. Right now I'm create, and the color you can easily recognize what type of color I use here. So in this video I don't try to create so fast my painting. I every time try to create the after the first layer is totally dry, because I think this video will help you if I show you how to create watercolor for beginners. So if you maintain the process like me, then your watercolor painting will really become so good, because your color will not fade. Okay, so you can see how I apply the color on the sheet. So right now the lady is totally complete. You can see how I create some shadow part on the sari area and on her neck. So right now I create the foreground, and the color here I apply orange, yellow ochre and little bit of burnt sienna. The color pigmentation is 2:10. So before it's dry, I just apply some shadow part. The shadow color here I apply ultramarine blue and little bit of orange. So right now I create the background figure. So you can see how I create the background figure. In a composition, you have to understand the main figure and the background figure, the differences. You don't need too much detail to add in your background figures. So you can see how I use the color, and I just apply totally flat the color in the background figures. Right now I create the left side lady. So you can see how I create this. So first I start from the head, and then I complete the sari, and before it's dry I just add some extra dark color for some shadow part. So right now I just need to complete the background, so that's why I use some minimum colors like cobalt blue and a little bit of orange and yellow ochre, etc. Here I use small fat brush in this time. So you can see how I create the background figures. So I start from the head, and I use some colors in one side, and I use some extra water for some light effect, and the other human I create the same way. So you can see my video is almost done. I think this video is really helpful for you guys. Thank you. Bye bye.